are a subset of DBMS. A relational database refers to a database that stores data in a structured format using rows and columns. This make it easy to locate and access specific values within the database. It is relational because the values within each table are related to each other. Tables may also be related to other tables. The relational structure make it possible to run queries across multiple tables at once. While a relational database describes the type of database an RDBMS manages, the RDBMS refers to the database program itself. It is the software that executes queries on the data, including adding, updating, and searching for values. An RDBMS may also provide a visual representation of the data. For example, it may display data in a tables like spreadsheet, allowing you to view and even edit individual values in the table. Some RDBMS programs allows you to create forms that can streamline entering, editing, and deleting data. Most well-known database management system applications fall into the relational database management systems category. For example, Microsoft SQL Server and IBM DB2. Some of these programs support non-relational databases, but they are primarily used for relational database management. So, technical definition of RDBMS, it explains in computing terminology what RDBMS means and is one of many software terms in the tech terms dictionary. A data processing system is a combination of machines, people, and process that for a set of input produces a defined set of outputs. The inputs and outputs are interpreted as data, facts, information, etc. So, depending on the interpreter's relation to the system. And commonly, data processing system is information system with regard particularly to electronic data processing. The corresponding concept is referred to as electronic data processing system. A data processing system may involve some combination of conversion data to another form of language, validation, ensuring that supplied data is clean, correct, and useful, sorting, that means arranging items in some sequence, reducing detailed data to its main points, combining multiple pieces of data, collecting, organization, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data, list, detailed summary data, or compute information. These all will do the data processing system. Data processing, a sequence of operations and data to convert into the useful information. Different operations and methods are applied on the data, and arithmetic and logical operations to send and receive the data from one location to other, classification of data, arranging data into a specific order. So methods of data processing: manual data processing, mechanical data processing, electronic data processing. Data models can be defined as an integrated collection of concepts for describing and manipulating data, relationships between data, and constraints on the data in an organization. It is used for representing entities of interest and their relationship in database. And types of data models: record based data model, object based data model, physical data model. And the record based data model is: record based data model specifies the overall logical structure of the database and provides a higher level description of the implementation. Record based models are so named because the database is structured in fixed format records of several types. The three most widely accepted record based data models are hierarchical model, network model, relational model. Object based models. Object based data models are used to describe data and its relationships. It uses concepts such as entities, attributes, and relationships. Following are the common types of object based data models: entity relationship, object oriented, semantic, functional. Physical data models. Physical data models describe how data is stored in the computer, representing information such as record structures, record ordering, and access paths. Two types of physical data models are unifying model, frame memory model. Hierarchical data model. A hierarchical data model is a data model in which the data is organized into tree-like structure. The data is stored as records which are connected to another through links. For example, university to department and department to the faculty. Network data model. This model is same as the hierarchical model, except that a record can have multiple parents. Network model has three basic components: record type, data items, and links. Relational data model. Relational data model is the primary data model which is used to widely around the world for data storage and processing. This model is simple and it has all the properties and capabilities required to the process data with storage efficiency. Relational model stores data in the form of tables. The relational model consists of three major components: the set of relations and set of domains that defines the way data can be represented, integrity rules that defines the procedure to protect the data, the operations that can be performed on data. Relational database concepts: tables, tuple, relation instance, relation schema, relation key. Tables in relational data model, relations are relations are saved in the format of tables. This format stores the relation among entities. A table has rows and columns where rows represents records and columns represents attributes. A tuple, a single row of a table which contains a single record for the relation is called tuple. Relation instance, a finite set of tuples in the relational database system represents relation instance. Relation instances do not have duplicate tuples. Relation schema is a relation schema describes the relation name, that means table name, attributes and their names. Relation key, each row has one or more attributes known as relation key, which can identify the row in the relation uniquely. Attribute domain, every attribute has some predefined value scope known as attribute domain. Constraints, every relation has some conditions that must hold for it to be a valid relation. These conditions are called relational integrity constraints. There are three main integrity constraints: key constraints, domain constraints, referential integrity constraints. Database design techniques: top-down approach, ER modeling, bottom-up approach, normalization. ER modeling. The ER model is a conceptual data model that views the real world as entities and relationships. A basic component of the model is the entity relationships diagram, which is used to visually represent data objects. Entity relationship models defines the conceptual view of database. Basic concepts in ER model. An entity is an object that exists and is distinguishable from other objects. Example: specific person, company, event, plant. An entity set is a set of entities of the same type that share the same properties. Example: set of all persons, companies, trees, holidays. Entities have attributes: simple attributes, composite attributes, derived attributes, single valued attributes. Example: people have names and address. A relationship represents an association between two or more entities. Relationships are classified in terms of degree, connectivity, coordinality, and existence. Degree of relationship: the number of participating entities in a relationship defines the degree of the relationship. Unary equal to degree 1, binary equal to degree 2, a ternary equal to degree 3. Employee manager of employee is unary. Employee works for department is binary. Customer purchase item shopkeeper is ternary relationship. Mapping cardinalities. Cardinality defines the number of entities in one entity set which can be associated to the number of entities of other set via relationship set. One-to-one entity from entity set A can be associated with the what at most one entity of entity set B and vice versa. One-to-many, one entity from entity set A can be associated with more than one entities of entity set B, but from entity set B, one entity can be associated with at most one entity. Many to one. More than one entities from entities set A can be associated with at most one entity of entity set B, but one entity from entity set B can be associated with more than one entity from entity set A. Many to many, one entity from A can be associated with more than one entity from B and vice versa. Notations in the ER model. Symbol meaning entity type, weak entity type, relationship type, identifying relationship type, attribute, key attribute, multi-valued attribute, composite attribute. Extended ER features, specialization, top-down design process. Specialization is the process of taking subset of a higher level entity set to form lower level entity set. It is a process of defining a set of subclasses of an entity type, which is called a superclass of the specialization. For example, specialization of the employee entity type may yield the set of subclasses, namely salaried employee and hourly employee on the method of pay. Generalization, a bottom-up design process. A generalization hierarchy is a form of abstraction that specifies the two or more entities that share common attributes can be generalized into a higher level entity type called a supertype or generic entity. The lower level of entities becomes the subtype or categories to the supertype. Subtypes are dependent entities. Generalization is denoted through a triangle component. Label is A. Aggregation. One limitation of the ER model is that it cannot express relationships among relationships. The best way to model a situation like this is by the use of aggregation. Normalization. Normalization is a process of decomposing a set of relations with anomalies to produce smaller and well-structured relations that contain minimum or no redundancy. It is a formal process of deciding which attributes should be grouped together in a relation. The process of normalization can be defined as the procedure of successive reduction of a given collection of relational schema based on their FDs and primary key to achieve some desirable form of a minimized redundancy. Normal forms. First normal forms, second normal forms, third normal forms, boy-coded normal forms, fourth normal form, fifth normal form. Logical database design. The logical design is more conceptual and abstract than the physical design. In the logical design, you look at the logical relationships among the objects in the physical design, we look at the most effective way of storing and retrieving the objects. The process of logical design involves arranging data into a series of logical relationships called entities and attributes. An entity represents a chunk of information into relational databases. An entity often maps to a table. An attribute is the components of an entity and helps define the uniqueness of the entity. In relational database, an attribute maps to a column. You can create the logical design using a pen and paper, or you can use a design tool such as Oracle Warehouse Builder or Oracle Designer. Relational integrity constraints. There are three main integrity constraints: key constraints, domain constraints, and referential integrity constraints. So key constraints, there must be at least one minimal subset of attributes in the relation which can identify a tuple uniquely. This minimal subset of attributes is called key. For that relation, if there are more than one such minimal subsets, that are called candidate keys. Key constraint force that in a relation with a key attribute, no two tuple can have identical values for key attributes. A key attribute cannot have null values. A key constraints are also referred to as entity constraints. And next, domain constraints. Attributes have specific values in real world scenario. For example, age can only be a positive integer. The same constraints have been tried to employ on the attribute of a relation. Every attribute is bound to have a specific range of values. For example, age cannot be less than 0 and telephone numbers cannot be contain a digit out of 0 to 9. Referential integrity constraints work on the concept of foreign keys. A foreign key is an attribute of a relation that can be referred in other relation. A referential integrity constraint states that if a relation refers to a key attribute of a different or same relation, then that key element must exist. And the scientific data processing usually involves a great deal of computation upon a relatively small amount of input data, resulting in a small volume of output. And next is commercial data processing involves a large volume of input data, relatively few computational operations, and a large volume of output. Accounting programs are the prototypical examples of data processing applications. Information system is the field that studies such organizational computing systems. Data analysis is a body of methods that helps to describe, facts, detects patterns, develop explanations, and test hypotheses. For example, data analysis might be used to look at sales and customer data to identify connections between products to allow for cross-selling campaigns. Thank you. So we'll RDBMS will continue in the next class.